we we start the name of God. After that, may 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 peace and prayers be upon all messengers and prophets. After the opening prayers, it is another time and our Somali learning program. Still, we are in the middle our basic chapter, the Somali Pronunciation Guide, which teaches how to read and write the Somali language in very short time. Just in 1 month, you could already read and write the Somali language like the native ones. So let's take F, F, F and F and F and vowels, F and vowels. Let's take like we did before. We simply put or place place short or long one before and after the F itself. Clear, right? Let's first place the short one after the F. You see, it is fa, fe, fi, fo, and fu. The long ones, it is like this, fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Just before the F, placing short one before the F, it is of, F, if, of, oof. Placing the long ones before the F, it is of, if, of, and oof. Very simple, right? So let's repeat it again. It is fa, fe, fi, fo, fu, fa, fe, fi, fo, fu, of, if, of, oof, of, if, of, oof. How to make it's not different than the English one, so you could already find it. Yeah. Examples include Fursat, Faisal, Fuad, Fagaro, Fichknan, Farhat, Falo, fiiro gaara, and so on. I think we have taken F. Until the next lesson, please, thanks for watching and goodbye.